Okay, here we are. We are in an area that I think it's called Caldera. Rio Caldera, it's on the right. And we're waiting for a while for a bus to pass and take us to Bajomono so we can start our Sendero Los Quetzales, which is what we're planning to do today. It's 15 kilometers from here to the entrance. And yeah, like 400 meters of elevation. So we decided not to do that. I wanted to take a taxi and I was able to find one. So we're just waiting here for the taxi to arrive. He's gonna be here in like 10 minutes. Feeling pretty good today. So a lot of noise. Hopefully we can make it. Alright, we made it. Taxi left us. He dropped us off right here at the entrance of the trail. Right. This is the park ranger station and we register ourselves. We need to do a payment, but we don't have signal, so we're gonna do that further down or up actually, where we will might actually have a signal at the lookout point. And yeah, this is pretty nice. There's only 2 other people at the trail, which is kind of surprising considering that today is Wednesday. So this is some beautiful views right up the star of the mountains in Boquete. So time 9 a.m. something like that, I think.
Yeah, 9 a.m. 8:57.
8:57. All right, here we go. It's 7 kilometers according to the information there, but I'm pretty sure it's less than that. But I don't know. Sure is probably not the best word to describe it. First time doing this. Here we go. The other side of Volcán. So far it's been some interesting up and down hills. Now we're going down again, which means we probably are getting close to the first cross of the river. Probably the river. Huh? Yeah, you can hear it. So I think there's 2 or 3, I'm not sure, parts where you cross the river. There are some bridges and stuff that they built over the past few years, which is what precisely got destroyed after the last rain a few weeks ago. So we'll see. All right, we encounter here a sign that,
It says 6 kilometers.
yeah, it's
to
showing
Alto
us
Respingo.
6K to Alto Respingo, which is a lookout point, Mirador, that we know already. Pretty cool so far.
Yeah, very fresh. A lot of rivers, a lot of vegetation, flowers.
Flowers, yeah.
Pretty.
If you want, we can go here where it says Bajo Chorro just to check out what is over there. So far the sign seems to be pretty accurate because I had 2.2 kilometers so far from the park ranger station, which is what it says there. So, ooh, that was a terrible shot. Now we are on a real sendero, muddy sendero. This is so pretty. I know, human made, whatever. Not exactly a nature spot.
That might be runoff from the farm, so make it talk.
Yeah, I don't trust water in Panama anymore. Making a pit stop here, take a picture of some shrooms growing on the dead trees. And I was just telling Kevin that it's interesting that I haven't seen a single mushroom so far, when a few days ago we saw so many at the Volcan Trail. There's a shit ton of mosquitoes, or I don't know what it is, like bees? I think it's mosquitoes, but it's like,
No, there's been some bees too.
yeah, I think it's like mosquitoes on asteroids because they're kind of big. looking plant. If anybody knows what that is, let us know. There's a house and a structure there made out of zinc and wood. It could be a refugio. What? Ah, there you go. It could be a refugio or something. Taking a quick stop to drink some water. Yeah, it's like this is never gonna go down again, guys. No, maybe it will, I don't know. Water here, rain, the rivers, they're pretty wild. They follow no rules.
Three kilometers remaining.
Yeah. There's too many bees or mosquitoes. There's some sort of ancient mosquitoes. They look like mosquitoes from Jurassic Park. They're huge.
Yeah, I'm glad it brought long stuff.
Yeah. So.
I wish I would have picked the longer pants. These seem to be swarming my upper body.
So highly recommended to come covered and with some good shoes because there's a lot of mud. So no regular sneakers for sure. Now the vegetation changed and well, we are kind of surrounded now by some bamboo, typical of the 2000 altitude stratus, and it's clear, it's open, you can see the sky. Before you couldn't see anything. It's cloudy and cool, so feels nice. It's just that now we reached this stairs section that is taking our some 3 and 4 out for a walk. Área de descanso. 2 kilometers to the top. This would have been a nice place to eat. Ah. Yes.
We're at 2,200 right now.
Okay. 2,300.
2,200.
200. Oh, that's what it says here. Kind of like there. Oh, this is supposed to be a camping site area. Is this the bathroom? I imagine it is. There's a little cave here. De entrar a la cueva. Peligro. Maybe there's a tiger. No, it seems like it's kind of deep. Maybe we can try to stick this down. So, we are like 1 kilometer away from our destination. This is a little stop. It says the Jaguar's Cave. So yeah, they've seen some of these felinos around the area. They're typical from, let's say, it says some of this you can. Right, you can hear the river.
Right now we're about 2,300 meters. Woo!
Humid. The stairs is no joke, but I mean, the stairs makes it easier actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying. It looks like many trees combined together, but it's.
Yeah.
I think it's just one
like
tree.
This is a vine.
Right.
So there's like, this is probably a vine, or I don't know. Maybe the tree also has vines that grow out. You can see it's covered all over in different parasitic plants, you know, or symbiotic plants.
It's magical. All right. Okay, so it seems like there's a refuge or some place to camp over there. Meriendita area. Meriendita. Merendero is what they call it. This is not 45 degrees. This is like almost 90. You can hear the water of a river that we have pretty close to our left. More stairs. And that's my watch saying 7 kilometers, which means there's more than 7. Not like the sign says. Maybe my watch is not very well calibrated, but this one says 1.5. Caldera River. Nice, all these flowers, they receive you, all the colors, and then you turn around and it's like, nope, you're not here yet. Now I'm kidding around. I remember this pretty well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Are we going back the other way or what?
No, we're going back the way, same way we came from. Yes, come babe. Estación Respingo. Oh my god, so many bugs. 10 out of 10.
We did it.
That's right.
It was a good one. Tough, but pretty.
Oh, well, I'm good. I'm glad that I brought another battery. Good. All right. Now we're going to have a little snack here in this refuge and come back down and see if we can avoid most of the rain. You've seen this, these flowers, the same spot during the summertime, dry season here in Panama in another video, where we did the same trail but from Cerro Punta to the Mirador Respingo or Altos de Respingo. That wasn't as exciting and beautiful as the one that we just did from Boquete, from Bajo Mono, Alto Mono, whatever. to here, because that other one is just a road, service road, dirt road, and this one that we did today is actually a trail in the jungle, in the forest. It's 10 kilometers. It feels like, well, almost 10. It feels like you are going through many different areas, because you get to see some section with rivers and many waterfalls, and then you have another section and you are like in some muddy jungle, and then you reach these stairs where you have a bunch of bamboo, and then it's just like a jungle, and you finish the trail, the hike in this beautiful area surrounded by flowers. And there's a little cabin for like the park ranger house, and then the little cabin here, which is where we're taking our tuna and our lunch. some mandarina. Kevin is there eating, and avena. That's important to, I think it's important to mention the things that we eat, because not only for our own reference for the future, because I always forget what type of thing we eat every time we go on a hike, but also for others, just to get ideas of what you can find to eat here in Panama when you decide to hike. There are some moras, some wild berries. I remember on that other side, I'm gonna go check if there are some. But yeah, so it's pretty nice, pretty quiet. And so far as it's not ready, so we'll see. We're prepared. We're prepared with our umbrellas and our rain jackets.